Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. I hope you always healthy and always have a good day. And for continue the last material in last week, I have new material that maybe can make you have some refreshing for learn. And then I have the material that this is still have containing with the last week. So the material itself is index card match. This index card match is have definition, purpose, function, method, and activity. The activity itself is like the step we can follow for we followed the index card match. This is some like game or like a quiz, but itself is beside this we have fun and make a conditional of boring class. And then okay, you can look this PPT that I make for you all, for all of my students. If I'm not mistaken, what is the index card match? Can you know what is the index card match, student? If someone can give me some answer, I will give you additional point for this today material. Anyone can answer this? No one? Okay, let me explain. What is in the index card match? A form of learning used to solve learning problems by matching or looking for pair of cards containing question with answer. So we have matching. So I have a card, and then the media we can use is card that I have made for you all, that containing question and answer, and then you can choose them or you can matching with them between the question and answer. And then why I choose the index card match is the use of some connector and make to easier to understand learning material, and as a method to refresh the class atmosphere. Yeah, because I know maybe learning is a kind of boring, especially in our class. So I give you some refreshing using this method, but it's also still containing the material that we have learned. Okay, beside the sentence, I have put the example, but example still make Indonesian. So match the cards below correctly. This is a keberagaman gender, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, berbeda-beda tapi satu jua. This one in left side is a question and the answer is in the right side. You can matching them if I have the physics of the card, but I have another example. Yeah, this is for the example for in this PPT. No, and then next in the slide, what is the aim of index card match? I think the aim of index card match, this is so unique because to train students to be more careful and stronger understanding a subject matter. For example, I put it the example like the material we'll have learned last week. We learned word, sentence, paragraph, and text. So I summarize them into one question and one answer. For the example, look at the word. Word Venus, it's containing word because she has one word. And then sentence, what is sentence? Sentence is have some word, and like it is a hot planet, even hotter than Mercury, and its atmosphere is extremely poisonous. This is for example. And despite being right, Mars is actually a cold place. It is filled with iron oxide dust, which gives the planet its reddish hue. This is a paragraph. From that three word, sentence, and paragraph that make text. Nah, from that for itself, you can matching them, and then you can trying to find your your relation for the card. Okay, next. What is the function of index card? If index card match? So, the function itself, I need you all, yeah, all of my friends, I think my students, because I myself is still be students. I need students more active, and procedure to be followed and facts to be developed are expressed here. Trying to find the answer and match the card. I need you all out of your expression to finding your match, and maybe you get the question and you trying to find the answer, and then you get the answer and you trying to match for the question. Yeah, students more active and make atmosphere in the class more have fun, not boring again. And then the second, more carefully and quickly understand the material. I think the ideas of I give you index card match is to order the information, and analysis of the facts is carried out by providing data and example data. For example, I give you the structure of narrative text, the material we have learned last week. I have you narrative text, the question, what is the structure of narrative text? And then I give you the card of the answer. The structure is like introduction, complication, and etc. And you can match them. You can match for itself. Now, let us not forget that every card has a title. Every card has some specific material, and which must be attractive enough to capture the memory, students' attention as it sound and overall summary of the content. And from this part itself, I hope you can get summary and more quickly to understand the material. Next, discussion. What is the method for index card match? So, the method of our index card match itself, number one is discussion. Discussion is itself takes discussion into the material to be used and the making of the rules of the game. Index card match itself, we have some rule. If there is any mistake from each the member, we can have like singing or reading a Putri in front of class. It's just for the false. But if there are any the right matching, we make them to sit together with the question and answer that matching. And then second, question and answer. To it according to this method, the determination of question and answer is divided among each students in a random way. So in a random way, we trying to find the matching and the question of answer. We trying and make our itself in demonstration. And the last, the demonstration. The demonstration itself is like practicing trying the question and answer, demonstration and matching. The student begins to match with whom he will pair or with whom they will pair question with answer. Okay, and the last steps to organize the index card match in the class. The first, me as a teacher divides the class into groups that contain 2 people. It can contain 3 people, but I need to you more individual to finding some question and answer about this material. And then second, some student will get question and answer, and students to find their partner. When someone has found a partner, ask students to sit close together. And from this part, I need you to more attractive, more active, and more give the all out of yourself. And the last, after students find a partner and sit close together, ask each pair to take turns reading the question they get out loud to their partner. Then the question is answered by the partner. So the card itself, the media card itself is made by me, and you have just 2 matching. Okay, I have Okay, for this is just for the material that I have given. After that, we can practicing together because I have already prepared the card match. But before that, do you have any questions, student? I think you still not understand what is the index card match or the answer or what is the question. Okay, okay. I think no question. And this is I have 4 card. Yeah, I have 4 card. This one is simple past tense. I think this is some question, and this is the answer of simple past tense. I played cricket yesterday. I make the card question on this card, not specifically like question. You can more thinking and make a logic of the answer, like this one, simple past. And if I give you this card, so you all, you can trying to find simple past tense, and you have to more understand what is simple past tense. And this is the answer. I played cricket yesterday. No, in front of class, you also explaining, not just in here, explaining what is simple past tense. Okay, understand? This is about grammars because I have prepared 2 material about grammar and education science. Okay, and the last one about education, social education. This is a picture of 6th president of Indonesia, yeah, President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. This is the question. Who is the 6th president to Indonesia? Yeah, you can try to find because this is for your knowledge, more knowledge. Yeah, you can trying to match them. Okay, I hope you can understand what the material I ordered today, and after that we can practice it. And maybe the material that I have ordered today enough. And thank you for your participant, guys. And I think that's all. I'm sorry if I have mistake. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.